everyone, it's me Holly with Illuminated Vibrations of the Heart, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Don't mind me, I'm trying to get the hang of these cameras and how I should record different types of videos. So today, the first one I'm going to be doing in this video is Sacred Geometry Activations Oracle. I'm super excited and tried to angle my camera in a way that I can easily place the cards so you can see each individual card for the Sacred Geometry Activations Oracle. Okay. So it comes with this really nice guidebook. So I just showed you guys the guidebook. And now I'm going to pull out the cards. The box is pretty nice and sturdy. Before I get more equipment, I need to get a tripod and all, so bear with me. My not so great video quality to start. Okay, and this is the cards. They're pretty big cards. So I'm just gonna lay each one. It looks like they're numbered. Card number 1, the root chakra. These are beautiful. Card number 2 is the sacral chakra. 3, the solar plexus chakra. Number 4, heart chakra. Card number 5, the throat chakra. I really like these cards. I can't wait to use them. Third eye chakra. Crown chakra. Ooh, now we're getting into some different things. Alchemy. And I love how they put it with the number 8. Because 8 is the number of alchemy. That's so awesome. Number 9, allowance. These are going to be so awesome to read everybody with. I can't wait. I hope you guys will book readings for them. Authority. Belief. Change. Coherence. Communication. Compassion. Number 16, conception. Consciousness. Ooh, that's pretty. Cosmic flower. Delight. Discernment. Divine feminine. Divine masculine, number 22 master number. Dynamic. Number 24 is earth. 25, emergence. 26, empowerment. Looks like they're in alphabetical order to a point. 27 is fertility. Number 28 is Gaia. 29, oh, I love this. Healing. I think that's gonna have to go up on the altar later, just to put out that vibe for the universe. I'm feeling it lately for everybody. Integration. Magic. Number 31, magic. I love magic. Another one of my favorite symbols, as you can see, Merkaba and the Merkaba. Or Merkaba, however you want to pronounce it, but I always pronounce it for some reason, Merkaba. Miracle. Number 33, master number. 34 is passion. 35 is perception. 36 is prosperity. 37 is realization. 38 is remembrance. 39 is romantic love. Soul time. 41 is synergy. Tantric journey. 43 is transition. And last but not least, card number 44, a master number, universal love. That's it, guys, for that deck of Sacred Geometry Activation Oracle. I really love it. I cannot wait to use it on you guys. I hope you will book a reading to get one of these cards done. I will post my booking link below, although there may not be a option for those just yet on my Facebook page. You can also email me, which will also be linked in the description, and ask about them. And I can give you an estimate for a reading and give you the different options after I read the guidebook. I'm sure it has many spreads available in the beautiful guidebook that came with it. It's very long and I cannot wait to read it and learn about these cards. They're going to be amazing for healing and energy readings and just messages, I think. So that's all for this video, and I hope that you guys do enjoy it. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Namaste.